welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing simple potting videos of the plants that I received from shopsucculents.com. I have a few ideas just to give you. I might have to remove some of the dirt. When you are removing the dirt from your new plant, it's a good time to inspect your plant. Make sure there's no bugs and make sure that the roots look healthy. Squeeze myself in here. So I'm just gonna do that. Oopsie. Yeah, this looks good and healthy, no bugs, and definitely needs a drink of water. So as soon as I'm done potting, I'm gonna give it a drink. Let's see if I can clean this up a little bit better with a brush. Yep, this one's a little fuzzy, so you can blow on it and it won't come off. There you go, that looks pretty clean. There we go, now it's nice and clean. I paired these plants together because I feel that they'll do well together. They're pretty similar in the type of what they can handle, that they'll do well in low light. I'm gonna use this to blow some of the dirt that's all the way inside. And that's just me because I'm just picky like that. Try and squeeze them in. Hey, so I put the zebra plant in here as well, and now I'm just gonna fill it. Okay, so you just fill it in like that and push in the dirt. When you water it, the dirt will settle a lot. What's wrong, Maxie? Made a big old mess, as usual. That's pretty simple. I wanted to use a yellow one for these because I feel like it would pop out, but I really like this next one that I'm putting together in the yellow pot because of the pink. I feel like the pink really stands out. Okay, this cleaned up really good with the little snot suction thing. So I'm just gonna push this up like that. They'll do well inside for a little bit, but if you don't have, a lot of sun, it'll do well for a while. And then if it needs more, if it's to keep its color and for it not to stretch, then it's gonna need some sun. So I'll sometimes have an arrangement for a few days inside the house just because I want to see it. And then I'll bring it to the greenhouse and maybe switch it out for another one to come into the house. So that's what I like to do. So I just take some of the dirt out of here and then squeeze that in there. Look at those colors. I think they look so pretty together. And now I'm just gonna fill it in with the dirt. Okay, so that looks so cute. I like how the colors pop against the yellow, and the colors themselves, I feel they really complement each other. So that's cute with some nice rocks in there. That would be really nice. Okay, this next one is very simple. Very, very easy. I have this bird. I already got some dirt in it, and it's pushed in the sides very well. All I have to do is, I really like this Sempervivum. I feel it reminds me of like a nest too, like a mama with her birdies all staking out. And I saw this and I'm like, oh, that would look so cute in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's very easy. So you just put her in there. I'll have to clean this up. And just push her down, kind of squeeze your fingers in there a little bit like this. And she's in there. I twisted a little bit in there. Look at that, that's so cute. And within like a week or something, her roots should grow down and grab onto that dirt that was pressed in there. And she should be nice and tight in there. Okay, next one. So I have this thing that I got at a yard sale, and I've been really wanting to put something in it. So let's see how it comes out. I have these plants here that I'm going to be using. This one and these. I'll try to squeeze all these all in there and see how they look. So this has some holes right here. So in order for the dirt not to fall out, I'm gonna have to place like mesh on the side. So I'm gonna do that, some screening on the side. Let me do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I filled it up and I squeezed this little plant in but going upward a little bit. And now I'm just gonna add some more dirt up here. It's getting really hot. It's gonna be a hot day. I can feel it already. I can't have my fan on because then you guys hear all the noise. So let's see. The sides a little bit. I should trim this before I put that there. Okay. You guys can find some really unique stuff at yard sales and thrift stores and Goodwills. I took this little piece here to kind of bring in here and let it come down like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna place this one in here, packing it really tight. They just look really nice when they're packed tight. I like them to look really tight where you really can't see the dirt. Kind of turn this sideways and then push it down without hurting the other plant. What is this? Okay, here we go. And push. And then with a little tiny spoon, try to fill in the gaps. Okay guys, I'm gonna clean these up and dress them up, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I'm all done and I'm super pleased with how these came out. I love them. I want to just stare at them forever. It's so pretty. This looks so good with the green and the dark rocks, and then this one looks so nice with the yellow and the light rocks. Really like the way that turned out. And then my favorite one is probably this one. It looks like something that maybe was left behind in an old cottage, and plants grew in it, and moss. It's very little moss that's in there. It's made to look like it's a lot, but it isn't. It's very little. And I love the way it turned out. Oh, I love the way this came out. So, I watered these. If you think that you gave it a little too much water, then if you could leave it outside to really get the excess water out and to give it a good chance to dry, then I would do that. I would not bring this inside because it might take longer to dry. So I have a little area over there where I'm going to place it for 2 days, and then I can bring it inside and enjoy it. Because for the purpose of the video of cleaning like the plants really good and the rock, I did give it a little too much water in my opinion. My concern is not too much this one, maybe this one, because that one does not like a lot of water. So I just want to give it a good chance to dry out, and then I can enjoy it inside. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm going to take pictures like I usually do and post them at the end. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your weekend and have a blessed day. Bye, guys. Look, Maxie. Maxie, say hi. Okay, bye, guys.